Tesla. This stock, and I was doing some background on it real quick, Pete. Obviously, we know what they do, make EVs, but they also have more data than anybody in the space. And the stock was hammered. I looked at the election to basically the end of the year. It was trading about 110 million shares a day. In the 14 trading days of this year, Pete, it's already traded 175 million a day, and it's gone from 108 to 142. What does that tell you about accumulation?
Yeah, you're right, John. But actually, not only 108, this thing dipped all the way down to 101 before that big recovery that we've been watching. High margins, great free cash flow. They are not just an automobile company that everybody always wants to put them into that spot, John. To your point, they've got all the data that you could ever imagine. They've been collecting this since day one. This is a lot more like a tech company than it is a car company. Inside of the car, I mean, it's like, is Apple, is it a computer company? Everybody, well, is it a phone company? Well, maybe, you know, but that's what we're looking at here. It's a tech company. Apple's a tech company that just goes across multiple different layers of how they're going to get information out there. That's the same thing here that we're seeing. And I'd add on top of that, John, how about the fact that we started off the year on the lows, we got ourselves into the crude oil area of about 72. We're starting to creep back up again, and we're looking at crude closer to 82. Well, that seems to play into the EV space just a little bit more as well, because as people look at those prices at the pump start to go up, 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 they're going to get a little bit more nervous about that. And I think the EVs are going to be some winners because of that.
No doubt. I think that's 100% true. I would keep an eye on what's going on with Tesla. Earnings Wednesday. I'm putting up 3 fingers, but I mean W. Wednesday. And I think it will be a winner, Pete, because again, when they started selling this stock right after the election, selling it really hard, it was $200. They pushed it down, as you heard Pete say, to 101. And since then, it's turned and burned to the upside over 142. So keep an eye on this one Wednesday for what Mr. Musk may say.